In order to translate the web page, you'll need to go into the upper right-hand corner, the drop-down that says English. It will have, once you click it, it will have a selection of languages to choose from. Simply select the language you wish to translate the page to, and then the entire page will be translated, along with any sub-pages that are housed within the website. For example, the student services page here has also been translated, and you do not need to go into the upper right-hand corner to translate that page. One thing to note is that any link that takes you outside of the website, like class link here, it will not translate that page as we are no longer on the YSD website. So you will need to use a different method to translate any links that are not housed within the YSD webpage.